This is an Atlas 7B shaper. Get a little tour here. It's a nice tool, bench top. We've had it for a little while, used it quite a bit, and it does a heck of a job. Recently we had a problem with the pulley alignment and found that this particular nut right here was missing, and that pulley had backed out of its shaft, and we had to make a new nut. It's kind of non-standard special thread 3/4 20, which we were successfully able to cut on the lathe. There's two controls. One is the down feed, which you can see right here. This is our new down feed handle, which is much larger, and our new graduated dial, which is also much larger, and it allows each thousandths to be about 1/8 of an inch wide, which gives you much more control. The pointer is just a piece of sheet metal that is painted red. I'm kind of proud of this. It's so simple. Stuck to a ceramic magnet that can be moved around. The other part of the equation is the cross feed, which is controlled by this bell crank moving this gear. There's a ratchet inside, and each time it ratchets, which you'll see in a minute, it moves 5/1000ths of an inch cross feed. The graduated dial that we replaced looked like this one, which, as you can see, is pretty hard to read. It's pretty small. What we're working on is a piece of cast iron, special formula, graphite impregnated, which is going to be a wear plate for a power hammer. I have 4 of these to do. They came raw from the mill with scale on it and about 7/8 of an inch, and I need to shave them down to about a little over 5/8, and then we'll run them on the surface grinder to get our final dimension. There's a couple of grooves that need to be cut in it. All the work will be done on the shaper. So let's crank it up. This is the power button. That actuates power to the motor. Then the drive pulley is actuated using this lever. You can't hear too much over the sound of the shaper. As you see, it's doing its job. Here's your bell crank doing its job. And you're now being mesmerized, as I have many times, by the workings of a shaper. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.